Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My hair looking good. Look at this hair right now. Oh my Lord. Who did this haircut? Who did this haircut? Who did this haircut? Who did that? Who did that? That was me. That was me. That was me. I did it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Ginger in the chat. Ginger, where's my warehouse at? Have you talked to the people at the warehouse yet? We need the warehouse. Chat, tell Ginger that we got to get that warehouse locked down. Where's my warehouse at? I need a 10,000 square foot warehouse for the new BDH West Coast. Come on. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Adriana? Adriana in the chat. How's Steven doing? How's the fam? How's life? What city are you looking in? I'm looking in Irvine, California. So, micros again today. Yeah, we're trading micros, baby. We're gonna get crazy, freaky, crazy. That's right. Freaky, crazy. By the way, today, my friends, Warbucks BTC is 50%. It's 50% off. So, let's get it going, baby. Let's get it going. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Good morning, good moving. You moving out there, PW, or BDH expansion? We're expanding, baby, worldwide. Worldwide. Right now, the NASDAQ, pull it back here into open. We were trading last night. We got some moves last night. We went to bed, and then this thing went to the fucking moon. You can see 30,200 overnight being the overnight high so far. We're not, what's interesting is we're not opening up with much of a gap or anything. So we're actually right there below yesterday's close. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. I got some legends accounts. Babies. I got some legend accounts that I'm going to be trading here today. And try to make some money. So yeah, like I said, sorry. Overnight, obviously the high here, 30,220 area. 220 area right now. Pulling back here. Big dump candle, 8 o'clock candle down there into the 9 o'clock candle so far. So what does this mean? We're gonna find out. Good morning. Made a couple videos yesterday. If you guys have not watched those videos, some new videos on the YouTube channel you can check out. That's right, got some videos. I had a live day trade that I did, and then a video on Tradeify, the 5-pack, the deal right now. Is it hot? Possibly. Robert said he thinks that we're gonna fall today. Well, I mean, the good thing about that, Robert, is we can make money both long and short here, my friends. That's right. No problem, no worries. No problem, no worry. No worries. Going into open right now. We got this overnight low down here. For now, overnight low is 20,930 area. I know Denny was trading last night, getting some action in. I traded last night as well, man. We're doing it 24 hours basically now. People don't even understand how big this shit is. They don't even understand, guys. We not only are we just bigger, we are just absolutely crushing the competition right now in this space. Right? We're absolutely crushing the competition in this space. I mean, this alone, 62,000 views daily, plus more. I mean, I think we're averaging like 100,000 views a day right now. Ain't nobody doing it like this. We got Denny at nighttime, 6 p.m. We got me coming up even later in the night. You got me again in the morning. You got Denny. I mean, you got T Money in the afternoon. Come on. Come on, chat. The biggest, the largest. Let's go. Last Man says he needs another 100-point banger. 100-point banger for Last Man. All right, all right. We're going to try to get one, my friend. No promises, but we're going to try. We got some wicks down in this area, right? So this is clearly some support down here. We got this overnight low down there as well. So we'll see if this is going to get pierced. Will we get a touchdown? Touchdown. We got any news today? That's always the million-dollar question. Head on over there to onlyprofirms.com to see the news. See the news here in the space. What do we got? June 30th. That's today, actually. So we got Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock. We got Jolt's job openings. We got Chicago PMI. We got consumer news as well. So Jolt's and consumer. So 9:45 news, we got 10 o'clock news. So should be an eventful morning either way. Consumer confidence today, and then tomorrow we've got more news. And then we've got even more news on Thursday. So we got news today, we got news tomorrow, we got news on Thursday. So it's a short week. I didn't even look what the hours are right here on futures this week. What are the hours? Futures hours. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like equities, interest rates, energy, and metals halt early on Friday at 12 p.m. Central, so 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Eastern on Friday. Futures are done trading. Is the actual stock market open on Friday or on Thursday or on Friday? Yeah, bank holiday on Friday. All right, all right. So get your money when you can. If you need some money for the weekend, get to the bank before Friday. It's America's birthday. 250 fucking years, boys. 250 fucking years. That's right. The biggest. The largest. But, all right, so if you're just now tuning in, we just checked out the onlyprofirms.com website. Get the latest, the greatest, the biggest, the largest, the diggest, the noggest, the biggest, the oddest, the bada ba doo ba doo ba doo ba doo. We going high. Right now we got news here, right? We got news today. We got 9:45 news, Chicago PMI number. Chicago PMI number. We got consumer confidence, and then we got the jolts job openings. So a lot of action this morning. Let's see what happens. PW, let me be the first queer BDH employee. What kind of queer are you? What kind of queer are you? Are you a female queer? A male queer? What kind of queer? I'm trying to figure out what kind of queer you are. Let me be the first. Somebody said, let me be the first queer BDH employee. All right. You might not be the first. Ooh, ouch. Who you calling queer, DVD? Let me be the LGBTQ plus friendly employee. We're looking for, I only hire studs. I'm sorry, only studs for me. That's why I hired D-Money. He's a cute little stud. Oh man, D-Money could definitely be a stud. He could definitely be a stud. I'm just saying, you know, if he was a female, he would be a stud. That's right, Warbucks accounts 50% off. 50% off. Warbucks, baby. Bro, let me be the first illegal BDH employee. Well, I already got one of those, don't worry. All right, so as we sit right now, we are right below yesterday's close, that dotted line. We got the VWAP, we got the 21 EMA. Everything kind of sitting right here, right? I mean, it's all right there above us now. So will that act as resistance at open? Do we sell down here back to the overnight low? Kind of retest some of that pop yesterday. Big pop up. Look at that move, man. The bottom at 10:15 yesterday, and then it pumped up and then just went sideways the rest of the day there. But, well, at the end of the day. So, interesting. What are the red and green boxes? Those are FVGs. Fair value gaps. We're trading ICT concepts, okay? We're trying to make a little bit of a buddy. We gotta see what else we got here. ICT concepts. Oh yeah, now we're really gonna get it going on. Look, now we got all the good stuff on there. Fair value gaps. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Loom Stevens said it's going to go to the overnight low at open. Well, let's see. What do you think, chat? Up or down at open? Let's do a poll. The $1 million question. Everybody wants to know, are we going up? Are we going down? PW, what does your day look like after the morning stream? If I told you, I'd have to kill you because my day is just so amazing. So basically what I do is after I'm done streaming, I go and I smoke a joint, right? And then I get on the computer and then I answer emails, whatever else I have to do. And then by that point, I smoke another joint, right? And then, you know, hopefully by that point, it's time for the third joint. Once I smoke the third joint, it's then time to order some food, right? You got to get some food at that point. So that's kind of the play. Man, look at this. Mexican fans are outside of Ecuador's team hotel trying to keep them up all night. Oh, man. You think that's going to work? Think that's going to work? Today we got Ecuador and Mexico playing. But I think Mexico's already through, right? So they don't really need to. They don't need to win, right? Mexico doesn't need to win that game. I don't think. Oh, it's knockout stages now. Oh, yeah, they do. Sorry. I haven't kept up with it enough. So, yeah. Knockout round, sorry. When's the USA play next? USA and Bosnia. How's that looking? Is the USA Bosnia game, is that a guaranteed USA win? The odds right now are negative 275. Easy win USA. Put all my money on Bosnia. They got Bosnia so bad. They got two names: Bosnia and Herzegovina. Wow. All right. Well, we got a little bear flag forming right now, going into open. We still got some time here. We got some time here. I traded last night. We had a nice little banger of a trade last night. Pretty happy with that performance. If you guys did not tune in last night, don't worry. It's all good. We still got more to go today. It ain't over yet. I need to make more money anyway. I need to make some more money. More money, Junior. When's the 80-20 guy coming on? I don't know, man. What do you want? What? So I traded last night in my Lucid accounts. We were trading micros, made $800 times 5 accounts. So I think I'm just gonna lock these accounts out for the day, right? I don't think there's really any reason to fuck around with them. So I think I'm gonna lock those accounts out. Would be the play. So I'm gonna lock out my funded accounts over there because I got more accounts to go. I got more funded accounts, so we're gonna lock out these accounts for now, for today at least. Let those be. They're fine. Don't really need to mess with them. You bet $100 to win $17 on the USA. That sounds like a terrible bet. Sounds like a terrible bet. Nice haircut, PW. Thank you very much. That's right. We got haircuts. We got it all. Going on. 35% off Tradeify 5-pack bundle. 5-pack bundle. I got some of these 5-packers. 5-pack bundles. Does Victoria like this haircut? Oh yeah. She loves it. She actually did. She actually helped me cut it. Last day of the month, and fun fact, we opened June 30,697. Really? Is that a fun fact? Is that a fact? Let me look here. Monthly candle. I see 30,709 here, but this is the micro chart, so maybe a little different. We got that fair value gap down there on the monthly chart, really holding up for now. Looking good, looking good down there. All right, so we're getting ready for market open right now. Looking pretty bearish here, like a bear flag. So we got about, what time is it? Got about 9 minutes. This could just start going straight down. We got the overnight low down there at that kind of 920 area, 930s. A lot of resistance above us right now. We'll see what happens at open. Yeah, the 5-pack bundle only works for the 50Ks and the 25K. Honestly, I was thinking about it the other day. There's really I think the sweet spot The sweet spot when it comes to prop firm accounts has got to be the 50K account. I think the 50K account is, you know, I think it's more better off play for you. Also, Warbucks 50% off. That's right. You can get Warbucks right now 50% off. We've never run a deal this cheap before, by the way. Never. Not in history. Not in history, people. So if you're interested, Warbucks right now. That's everything. That's crypto. That's Twitter. That's equities. That's all the good stuff. Craziest sale ever. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely looking bearish here. 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart. We already got a wick back up here now, right? We got that wick up into here. Everything's lining up for a short here at open. The problem is just, is it gonna dump before the market opens here? That's the issue. So, PW, ever trade MES? Yeah, I've traded MES before. Adrian said his favorite day trader, the midnight session last night, was dope. There we go. You're trading last night 11 p.m. Eastern. You gotta love it. Putting it in late night. Late night. We still made some money last night too. That's the best part about it. Best part about it, we made money last night. Tushar, hi PW, I'm back. What up? Welcome back, Tushar. Thanks for letting us know that you're back. I was worried for a moment. I didn't know where you were. How many micros am I going to trade? I mean, the goal is, I would say maybe trade like 5 max per account. The whole point of it is to try to just manage the risk a little better, because the problem is a lot of these 50K accounts, you don't really have much risk. So it's like every trade that I'm entering, I'm basically just like, if that first trade of the day doesn't hit, then it's like automatically I'm just gonna blow the account. So 29, there you go, straight down, that bear flag playing out before market opens. So we got about 5 minutes here, so 5 minutes still, so a little tricky. Love this stream. It's like drugs for me. Oh man, I've never had another man call me a drug before, but thanks for the support. What about placing a short right now? I mean, we're so close to open. I don't think there's no reason that you have to jump in right now. Hey PW, have you heard that Tradevate plans to monitor traders across multiple prop firms to prevent cross-firm hedging? I mean, that's already kind of been talked about. I haven't heard anything specific though. Well, we hit 30,000. The low was right below 30,000, so we swept 30,000 for now. We've got yesterday's close there at the 52s. I would say at open, if we push up, we get denied at that VWAP area, and then we start to roll over. That's your short setup. But for now, just being patient. We got the overnight low down here at the 930 area. We got the overnight high all the way up here at 30,210. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. We got a lot of stuff going on today. I guess the SCOTUS as well. Supreme Court is going to be doing some rulings after 10 o'clock as well. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens either way. Today's vibe is patience. 402 likes. Let's go. We got 402 likes here. We need more. We need more. More likes. More love. More support. Guys, we got 3 minutes here till market opens. 3 minutes. It's happening. We're going live. We're going live. PW, what account size are you trading today? I'm trading the 50K accounts, the Legends 50K accounts. I've got these Legends accounts. These are funded accounts. I got 5 of those. So we're trading today, trading some micros today. I know. We got the Legends accounts that we're going to be trading today. We got some Tradeify accounts as well. So we got all kinds of stuff. I logged out my Lucid accounts there earlier. If you just now tuned in, we made money on the Lucid accounts last night. $800 trading micros. It's hard to complain. You know, you don't need to complain about making $800 over 5 accounts at 11 o'clock at night, getting paid. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing back up here. Why are you trading micros? Yes, we're trading micros. That's all. There's no other thing, guys. We're just trading micros today. We're going to have some fun. We're going to try to get back to trading and not just worrying about blowing up accounts, okay? If you don't like it, well, you can always trade minis and I'll trade micros. It's the same thing. It don't matter. We got Supreme Court ruling on trans athletes today. Oh, man. That should really affect the market. Yes, it is gay. It is gay to trade micros, and today I'm being gay. All right, so let me be gay, everybody. We'll be trading 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 micros per account. Micros and fair value gaps. What happened to PW, man? Just trying to get more views. Just trying to get more views, man. Trying to get more views on the stream. Yeah, the question of the day is going to be, why am I trading micros? So I'm not going to answer that question anymore. We're just going to trade and have some fun today. We got about a minute here till market opens. Right now, NASDAQ pushing back up into this resistance area. We got the VWAP there at the 65s. I want to see what happens here at open. That was a bear flag. We did push back up off 30,000, but that's not really when the market's open yet. We got to see what will happen here at open now. What will happen here at open now? Real estate investment says, I trade micros, easier to scale in and out. Yeah, I agree. It's just easier to kind of reduce the risk and all that. So we got news at 10 o'clock. We got news at 9:45 as well. So here we go. Market is about to open. Going straight up here. Wrong accounts. These accounts. Let's see what happens. Straight up right now. I'm going to try a short right here. Oh, God. That did not work. Right there at the VWAP now. Giving it a little bit of room here. We're right there at the VWAP. This should try to push back down now. And we're going looking for kind of these lows down here. Nope, no lows. Oh, you son of a bitch. We got that fair value gap at the 120s. We got to wait for this 120 area. Getting absolutely cooked here. Look at this thing pumping. Why did I try to get short there? Tried to be a smart guy this morning, didn't I? I had to try to be a smart guy this morning. Look at this. Just straight up here now. This is not going well, chat. Whose idea was this? Just went straight up there at open. You gotta love it. We had a bear flag, the push straight up that fair value gap. Still going higher, 130s. Need a pullback here. Just kidding. Straight up. There you go. Everybody went it long. Good, congratulations. That was clearly the play. I think we might be all right though. We just need this pullback below 30,100. Dump it back down, NASDAQ. Dump it back down. Big dump. I need a big dump here. Oof. A lot of strength right now. Damn. What was I doing? What the fuck am I doing? I'm trying to predict where the market's going, not just trading where it's at. You gotta love that. The bulls are holding on, but I think if we can start to roll over here, we should have some moves to the downside, but it's a long day. Fuck. No one told me that. Still going straight up here. It has gone nothing but straight up since open. You gotta love it. How does that work? Still straight up. Still very much straight up. Can we get a pullback? Wow. Absolutely cooked here on this, guys. There's just no pullback. All the open. Just look at this thing. 5-minute candle straight to the fucking moon right here. What is going on? You got Nvidia, you got everything just going straight to the fucking moon right now. Crazy. The ES is not going up. The NASDAQ is going up, but the ES is not going up. Wow. 220 now. Yep, we're going straight for that overnight high. There you go. We are absolutely cooked here on this trade. It's over. What the fuck, dude? Well, those accounts are blown. What the fuck? Wow. Okay. Those accounts are gone, as you see, just absolutely straight up at open. Now it's gonna pull back, watch. The fuck? So stupid. Yeah, no, that's not a strategy at all. This is just straight up. Trading the opening is great. I mean, I don't fuck, what a dumbass idea that was. All right, well, off to the next accounts, I guess. That was fucking retarded on every level. There's a pullback now. We took out the overnight high now. I mean, what the fuck? We got to pull back, right? Like, nope. Again. Another bull flag set up here. This is always what happens. You get caught on the wrong side of the market, and then it just keeps going higher, and nothing you can do about it. Absolutely cooked here. Like, what the fuck? Still straight up. No pullbacks. Gap and go hard. Now this is going to pull back. Pull back to this EMA here now. Get down here to this 70 area. Yeah, I cannot believe that move at open. Crazy. If we get this first contract filled there at 77, I'll move my stop to break even there next. Oh my Lord. There we go. Getting filled. So stop goes here now, 220s. See if we can't ride this down a little bit more, but there it pops right back up. That's fine. As you can see here, I had that short from the 240 area. It pulled back one. I mean, that was, well, not 240, but literally got stopped out at the top of this move. Classic. What a crazy move right now. Is it a long is the question now. I'm going to try this long here. Stop is below this candle low now. Now it'll pull back. Keep going higher possibly. I think 300. You got a pivot point up there, 320s next, but we'll see. Needs to bounce here at the 200s or come back down again. We got news at 9:45, by the way. See if we can get up through 260s. I'll look to take off a little bit there at 260 and then up into here next, possibly. Chicago PMI number comes out at 9:45. We got some resistance up here at the 250s for now. Chopping around. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room here. Just that news is coming out soon. Might get some funky price action. Well, if we lose 170, it's probably not good for the Bulls, but .945 news coming out here very soon. Holding on for now, right there at those EMAs. Trying to see if we're going to break this resistance area, 250s. Oh my Lord, pulling back here again. We got news here in 1 minute. 1 minute till the news comes out. And pulling back here. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Now it's going to pull back all the way back to the open. Gotta love it. Oh God, back up 200. Come on, baby, pump it for the news. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 till the news comes out here. We're looking for this 300 break now. $250s, tapping it again. Will they break through? Oh. Break through there. Tap, tap, tapping. Tap, tap, tapping. Got a lot of wicks up there. A lot of wicks for now. Let's see if we can go. Bust through 260s now. Bust it down. Need to bust it down, chat. Need to bust it down. Bust it down. Chop Chop City here. First 15 minutes was manipulation, the chat said. Oh, man. I hope not. It looks so juicy up here. Come on, 300. If you look right now on the NASDAQ 5-minute chart, we got 321 pivot point up there. It's kind of what I'm seeing if we can get to. We break through this previous high there at the 260s. See if there's potential to go 300s next. Just battling for now. 15-minute chart, big 15-minute candle. Got a wick right now that we're battling here. Top of the 15-minute range right now, 263 area. We got more news coming out at 10 o'clock. Maybe the market's going to wait for Jolt's job openings. Just holding on for dear life right now. Well, we're long. It went up to 250 area, pulled right back down again. So, giving it some room here. We'll see what happens. These are funded accounts, funded Tradeify accounts. Yes, sir. Funded Tradeify accounts. Yeah, gonna chop until Jolt's job opening. And pulling back again. They said it's not looking good. Well, yeah, no, I mean, hey, we'll see. We got 10 minutes until this hourly candle closes. If we look right now on the hourly chart, you got the high of this hourly candle, 264. We busted through that overnight high here so far. Just trying to see if we can't close above this 270, 300 level on that hourly chart here now, but we'll see what happens. Can we pump? Another bull flag setting up here. ES is trying to push. Nvidia is kind of just pulling. Ooh, there we go. There we go. I'm going to take some off right there. Well, I was trying to. Take some off right there and then ride the rest up to the 320s. Moving stops to break even here now. Can we get up through the 300s now? Finally getting some action. If Nvidia can start pumping here, we should be clear through 300. Need that 300 pop here. Looks really good. Pop through 300. There we go. I'll take that off right there. All right, we got one contract left. Kind of put this up here, 330 area. We're right there at that pivot point now, so. Kind of trail this, put our stop right below this low of this candle. Either she's going to go straight up or pull back, stop us out for a nice little profit. We got news here at 10 o'clock, by the way. 10 o'clock news. Giving a little bit of room, see if we can continue pushing through 300. We got that pivot point coming up. Could go even more, though, honestly. A little bit of trouble here. This is what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to put this stop like right here. And I was thinking about maybe add into this if we pull back like 260s and build out another bull flag. Because we did break the 15-minute range, right? We broke the 15-minute range to the upside here. And then, I mean, this is kind of what interests me too, right? We do have this big gap here. 540 area. There's this big gap. Remember the, I think it was a week ago or whatever, Tuesday, there's a big gap right here. That's kind of where we're pushing up into right now. I mean, that gap is like all the way here. So we're inside this gap right now. Can we go 400, 500? Keep that momentum up. We got Jolt's job openings coming out here in about 6 minutes as well. So it's a big gap here. It's possible. If it pops straight up there, it takes me out of the 340s. I'll be fine with that, but maybe try to add if we pull back here a little bit. $310 resistance for now. Yeah, I see it. One of the reasons that I've decided to mess around with the micros is on the 5-minute chart lately. You know, I've just been like, I feel like a lot of times I end up getting chopped out. The market pulls back, you know, 20, 30 points and goes straight up. So I'm trying to see if I trade smaller size, if I can get better overall momentum to kind of follow through. So that's kind of my theory behind it. Right now, this looks pretty good though. I like this push. Up there to the 320s now. Yeah, I cut my own hair, chat. Everybody asking about my barber. I cut my own hair, don't worry. I can do it for you as well. PW Barbershop opening up soon. Newport Beach. We can all have sick haircuts. Looks really good though. Look at this thing up there to the 320s. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing it. Really nice trade here from the 206s. Getting long down there. Where's the fade? No fade needed. When your head's this beautiful. When your head is this beautiful, what do you need to fade? You guys see my helmet? Look at this thing. This is my new race helmet. Ooh, Warbucks. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, buddy. What do you think? What do you think? Cool? Not cool. Oh, man. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Look at the back. Ooh. She's still going higher, by the way, chat. We are making money here. We got news coming out here in 4 minutes. I think we're going to get filled. 30,400 is next. Should we go for 30,400? Go for a 200-point banger, chat? We going for the full gap fill? Jolt's job openings? Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. We got 2.5 minutes here till the numbers come out. Right now, we got 4,300 people watching. Let's go. We're making money live. I'm looking to add if possible. You know, I'll be okay with adding if it's possible. Just kind of being patient here. We got 2 minutes until these numbers come out. 2 minutes until the Jolt's job opening numbers. This is a big number as well. Big number here, 10 o'clock. 2 minutes. Someone said, can I trade overseas? I mean, if you have Starlink. Somebody asked, can I trade overseas? I mean, if you have Starlink and you're on the sea and you have a, you know, electrical and you could probably trade over the sea, yeah. Like on a boat, you mean? You could probably trade on a boat. Yeah, no, you could. By the way, we need more likes here. We got to get 1,000 likes. Come on, chat. I thought PW said trading micros is gay. Yes, it is gay. That's why we're doing it, all right? I don't know why y'all be hating on me. I'm putting it, hey, guess what, chat? If you don't like micros, you can still trade minis, right? Don't be afraid. A bull flag with a micro, a bull flag with a mini is the same. You know what I mean? Like it ain't no different. It ain't no different, chat. You know? It ain't no different. This is looking really, I mean, do I take it off right here? It's just going straight up, 350s now. We're gonna fill this fucking gap, maybe. Is your barber black? What does that mean? With pleasure, man. Big like from France. Let's go. We're live in France. Oui, oui, mademoiselle. Oui, oui. I see France. I see London. I see your underpants. Oui, oui, mademoiselle. All right, the Jolt's job opening numbers are out. Do we pop through 400s here now? We're going for 200 points here. 200 points. $200 points. Viva la France. La France. Oui, oui. I like a croissant. Ah, croissant. Hey, croissant. Alex said that the market AI predicted this morning 30,400. Wow. The market predicted it. You gotta love that. What's the market predicting now? Now what do we do? All right, so we've got a pivot point there, 30,323. We got a fair value gap down here. We might need to retest that opening range high. Opening range high is 260 area here. Let's see what happens. We pull back. This 5-minute candle right now, pulling all the way back down here. The top of that 15-minute range, 264s. Trouble here for the bulls. Trouble for the bulls for now. I'm waiting to see where I can add at. Labor market is resilient. So resilient. Ooh, I like that little push off the 300s here. Like that wick. Look at that wick right back up. That might be the spot to add here. I'm gonna try to add right there and see if we're gonna push through 400s next. Keep my stops right there, break even. I had one contract already. We're adding off of that 9 EMA for now. We got a pivot point right there, 323 as well. You can see his pivot point there. 320 area pivot point. I like this push. Don't you love it when you get long and then it goes straight up afterwards? You gotta love that. Buyers stepping in there. Fair value gap. The fair value gap is holding, chat. We're looking for 400s or more. All right, so the idea here is we do have this massive gap, and that puts us all the way up there to the 550s. 550s is where that bottom of that gap started, or even higher, maybe like 600s. Right? So this is looking really good right now. PW, why are you trading ICT? Because it works, okay? Because my mentor is your mentor. All right? It's my mentor is the mentor of your mentor. Okay? Man, this is beautiful right now. I'm loving this. I am loving this right now, chat. We are absolutely on fire here. Look at this push. Can we get a new high through the 400s quickly? Isn't fair value gap something that Hogue says? I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe. Beautiful ad there, though. We added at 23, and now we're looking for a 400 push here. So. We'll see what happens. Got Nvidia pushing up to 198.26 right now. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. We got 4,000 people watching. We got 4,000 fucking people watching. We got 920 likes. We gotta get at least 1,000 likes, chat. Look at this win right now. We are winning. This is a winning trade. PW, I'm confused. Are you trolling ICT? You'll never know. It's part of the show, baby. All right, we're almost through 400. Come on, baby. Give me that push. One more pushy push. Phone's ringing. Hello. Yes. Good, man. Yep, I'm good. Yeah, I talked to the internet sales manager. He sent me an invoice last night, and I was just waiting to get the wire info and get it done. Yep. Correct. Yeah, I'll sign everything today and get it done today, and then either get picked up today or tomorrow. Yep. Can you send me a... Sorry? It's a new tag. Can you send me a couple pictures of the truck on the lot there? Awesome. Perfect. Thank you. All right. Later. All right, a little bit of a pullback here. We'll wait to see what happens. A little pullback for going higher, possibly. We got a pivot point right there, 23. Right? The high that we're kind of targeting is this 400 level. Probably should have taken that profit there. I was on the phone. Who the fuck calls me right now? You motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. I just wanted that 400 pop, man. This is really gonna pull all the way back down here. All right, so now we're just looking for kind of another continuation play here. I want to see a candle kind of wick to the downside and then push back up. Would be my play. Answered that like Barack Obama. That was me. All right, so basically if we break above this 6,360 area, I'll add here off this EMA again. I would have liked to seen like a wick through here maybe first. Let's see what happens. Yeah, see, it hasn't broken 360, so maybe it wicks down and then pushes back up here. There's that wick down. Okay, okay. See what happens. We can respect this 320 again, push back up. PW, can you explain the 40% consistency rule? Yeah, just don't make more than 40% of your profit in one day, sir. Very simple idea. There's that wick down now. Okay, let's see. If this candle can push straight up through 360, I'm going to add and kind of get that breakout possibly. We're pulling back into that EMA, into that pivot point for now. We got this fair value gap down here. This candle earlier wicked out of it. A push from here can send this higher. Let's go. A little bit of trouble now. 320s again. Bro, why not take profit? I mean, I'm okay. We're trading, man. We're not this is not just take profit. You know, like I'm trying to trade more than just get in, get out. But maybe I should have gotten out. You're right. I don't know. I can't tell the future. The whole market right now pulling back here a little bit. So more pullback than we would like, but this kind of needs to happen sometimes to go higher. 277 has to hold for continuation higher. Well, yeah, no, I agree. Okay. Well, do I add? I guess I'm going to add right there. Big push. Can we continue now? All right, my stops break even there, basically, so let's see what happens here. Nvidia's pulling back right now. Nvidia's pulling back, being stubborn. NASDAQ just popped straight back up. So we got to see what happens here. I mean, we got our stop loss is break even. So, I mean, kind of is what it is, I guess. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. What's the EMA settings? EMA settings are 9 EMA is that blue line. This blue line you see right here is the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. ICT strategy is not working? Maybe, I don't know. You gotta find out. I mean, we're in the green right now, so I mean, hey, haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Either we pump out of here or we dump. I mean, it's kind of just is what it is. Kind of just is what it is, chat. If we can get through 360, 380s, I think we go 400s. Maybe 500 even today. Elliot Williams says, we're all traders, bro. I'm not bagging on you. You should just take profit when you're up that big in front of thousands of people watching. $2,500 is a month of earnings to some of your followers. I mean, that's the thing, though. At no point am I telling anybody to not take profit. If you're up $2,500, take profit. That's not what I'm saying. I mean, I'm just doing my thing. Nobody's telling anybody here to trade, to buy, to sell, or anything. This is just me on the internet trading. So I agree, though. Yeah, if you're up $2,500, take the profit. Nothing wrong with that. Do your thing, baby. You know, you trade you, baby. If we can pump through 360s, I think we're good. It's just stuck here for now. Five-minute charts battling. We're right there at that pivot point. 400s. We're inside this gap as well, guys. We got this big gap. If you look here, right? Big gap. That's back there Tuesday. I mean, that's 540 more. Who knows? I mean, I think the potential for a move up here is much higher than a pullback. But maybe I'm wrong. Again, you know, it's just trading. I can't predict the future. I wish I could. I'd be a lot richer if I could. So we'll see. I kind of just want to see if this trade's going to play out. That's all. I'm, you know, just trying to do my thing. ES is pushing. Nvidia is trying to hold on. We'll see. Someone said they can predict the future. 30,450 is next. All right, we'll see. Should I trail it more? Probably. But I'm trying to give it a little bit of room here. I'm trading like off the 5-minute chart. I know we're looking at the 1 minute chart, so my low on this candle is 305, and that's basically my stop for now. I'm just trying. We're trading live, trying something out here. If I trail my stop with the 5-minute lows, does that keep me in the trade longer, or should I take profit earlier? The only really way to do it is to do it live, you know? That's all I can do. But I do agree, you're probably right. It'd probably be smart to take some profit off if we can't hold 340. So I'll move a stop right there. I can always re-enter if I want. Try to trim some of this on a pullback, possibly. Doesn't want to go higher for now. She wants to go higher, but the battle is real. Chop Chop City here for now. This is for sure going to pull back and stop me out. For sure. Yep. Stopped out, pulled back. Okay. All right, so if we start to break above 360, I'm going to jump back in and add some more there. Look at that. I knew that would happen. And this is why I was trying to use that 5-minute. The chart got me there. All right, we're going to add right here 360s and try to get this push above 400, baby. Don't you love it? The minute that I moved my stop right there, it pulled back, stopped me out, and then went back up. You can't make this stuff up sometimes. Stops are sitting down there at 300 now. Can we go higher? If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. If we look at the 15-minute chart, it's not looking bad. 5-minute chart looks pretty good here. As long as we can hold this 300 level, we should go. I think 500s today is very doable. Look at the hourly chart right now. You got a wick to the downside, 500 to the upside there. Just consolidating before trying to move higher here, possibly. All right, again, the idea here is our stop is below the last 5-minute candle low, and that's 305 here. So that's kind of our stop area. If we can't hold 300, we get out. We can always re-enter, but we're looking for more, obviously, to the upside here. Just kind of consolidating here, 350 area now. There's a reason this channel has so many subscribers and is so active. By the way, cheers on the Denny edition. Let's go. Denny, Denny, Danny. Everybody loves Danny. What about PW? What about PW, man? The ES is also trying to push up here. Market's getting really tight. Look at the ES. It went straight up at open through the 15-minute opening range. NASDAQ kind of lagging right now, but if we can, I think, you know, basically breaking above 400, you got plenty of upside there. Because again, like, look at this on the hourly chart. There's really not much going on. Remember, this is the gap fill. We're filling a gap right now. That big old gap when the market gapped down overnight, never filled it. We pushed up into it. We got stuck. So this is the first time we're trying to actually fill it now. So 500s. Look how tight it's getting. Something's going to happen, that's for sure. Something is going to happen here. Like I said, I like the longs. I'm staying long in it for 400 push. Stephen K said it's a short if it hits 400. I mean, maybe. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe not. There's 400. Let's see. Is it a short? Is it a short here? Come on. Get through 400 here, chat. Get through the 400s. Straight up now. Making new highs. I might trim a little bit if we kind of get stuck right here. I might trim a little bit there at 402. Trimming some. Still got more to go. Stops are now moving up here. Really nice setup here. I'll look for some more here right below 420. All right, I got one contract left. We're gonna let this kind of ride, see if we go for 40s or so. We're up $1,000 today trading these Tradeify accounts. These are Tradeify growth accounts. So we're just out here having a little bit of fun. The guy earlier said, Patrick, why do you not take profit? Well, look what happened. It went higher. Sometimes you gotta have faith. You gotta have faith, chat. You gotta have faith. You gotta believe. You gotta believe, chat. Believe in yourself. Believe in the strategy. Believe in the process. Believe profits over process. Or wait a second. Is it profits over process? That's what it is, right? Profits over process. What can I say? All right. Technically, based on the 5-minute chart, the stop loss is still kind of like down here. We have not put it in a higher low yet. So technically, based on this chart right now, it's kind of like my stop should still be a little lower, but let's see what happens here at the 400s now. We got a fair value gap forming there at the 400s now. Fair value gap at the 400s. 370 area on this pullback possible. Dylan said could go even higher. Hopefully. Hopefully, Dylan, hopefully. I don't mind the idea of maybe adding here at some point. See what happens on this pullback. He's gonna pull all the way back down here and stop me out. Watch it. I was thinking maybe you could add off that pullback to the EMA right there, but not good music today. I mean, some people love the music and some people hate. I mean, we got one guy in the chat who said the music's not good today. What do you think, chat? Should we change the music? You want me to change the music? What do you want? What do you want? You want some rock and roll? You want some R&B? I mean, chat likes it. We'll do a poll. How about that? We got a poll in the chat. The chat decides. Chat decides. Right now, 66% say keep it. 32% change it. Uh-oh. Wow, look at that pullback right into the 9 EMA, straight back up here. Let's go, baby. Why did I not add down there? I'm gonna try to add for this continuation now through the 420s here next. We just broke the previous candle high there. Need more continuation to the upside here. We pulled back into that fair value gap and then ramped straight back up. Gotta love it. If we break, I kind of want to see us break right through 420. See what happens from there. The shorts are getting squeezed today. Oh my Lord, it's a squeeze fest. All right, the poll is 64%. People love the chat, love the music, so we're keeping the music. Keeping the music here. Get this breakout through the 420s. Try to push up there towards 500 next. It's prime. Look at the 5-minute chart. Green, green, green. It wants to go. 490, 500, 520s. The top of there's 550 area. So we'll see. Can it go that high? Can it go that high? 420's pushing now. Trying. $400, 30,400, trying to push. Stuck for now. Trouble. $370 area has to hold or we're going to get a pullback. Okay. Sounds good. I like it. Is that good? We're going up, chat. Let's get it. I'll see if it takes some right there, 430s. If we get there. Ta-da! It hit 440s on the dot right there, basically, so... Looking at this chart, there's really not much resistance coming up here until I'd say 500 or so. Realistically. You know? Hey, Patrick, want to see my quote of the day to myself? Yeah, sure, man. What do you got? Tell me your quote of the day for yourself. All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to kind of let this go. Put stops right here. Right? We got our stop right there. We got two actually somehow there. I don't know why there's two. Put that stop, basically break even, and we'll see if it's going to pump or pull back here. It's either got to, I think it's at this point now where like we need to keep going or, well, we pull back some. See, like right there, that's kind of the problem. Rumo said he's expecting a big short. Oh man, Rumo is short 423. Oh god, Rumo in the chat, the fucking AI. All right, so if we get stopped out here, I'm gonna lock these accounts up. We're up $1,000 on these accounts today. That's $5,000 total trading micros. So If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Ooh, we almost got stopped out there. PW, do you prefer holding trades or quick pops? I mean, on a day like today, nothing wrong with holding trades when there's a trend, right? Let the trend play out. Come on. One more push, NASDAQ. Up there to the 450s at least. Give me that 450 push here. Give me that 450 push. Quote of the day for Stock Itch says that, if I'm writing quotes to myself, maybe it's time to get a life. There you go. Quote of the day. All right, we're stopped out there for now. Obviously, it's probably going to pump from there, but I'm going to lock these accounts out, right? No reason to really fuck around. I'm going to lock out my Tradeify accounts. We're up $5,000. So I'd say it's better to just lock them out and be done. And then we got some more accounts to trade here. You got to love when it pulls back, stops you out, and then goes right back up. Trying to think about what other accounts I have to trade. Not a ton. Not a ton. I'm gonna go over here and let me look at something. All right, good time to be patient. It's 11:35. Market's it loves to like get up to this areas, see what happens at this point, right? Just kind of be careful for a moment. Nothing wrong with being patient, right? We're just trying to be a little patient. All right, good time to be patient here, my friends. All right, good time to be patient, pulling back here. Five-minute chart, just kind of pulling back, being patient. Let this 5-minute chart play out, right? Get a better setup here. We kind of just grinded. Not much of a pullback. This is the last time we had a higher low in this area. So what I'd want to see now is, you know, another higher low somewhere else would be ideal, right? Give me a wick. Give me a little wick. A little bit of wick action there, maybe. All right, I think, like I said, this is a good time to be patient here. Let this 5-minute chart play out a little bit better, right? Let it play out a little bit better. Good time to, it's just kind of pulling back right now, so I think we need to kind of get down a little bit. Get down a little bit. Get down a little bit. Someone said, quit breathing in. Get out of here. You hear me breathing, you fucking weirdo. You fucking weirdo. Your hair looks so cool. Thank you. Thank you. It's a style, you know. I don't want to brag about it, but, you know, it's my hairstyle. What can I say? I'm a stylistic kind of person. I'm a stylistic kind of person. All right. Still pulling back. Patience. 15-minute chart, you can kind of see the pullback there. We need some kind of retest here. I need to put in a higher low, this 350 area. Oh, nice little push. That's a pretty good pushback up here now. Huh. It's a pretty good pushback up here. Might be a long setup here now. I'm gonna try a long here. Stop is below this low, and we'll see if this is gonna continue higher. That's that 5-minute low that we wanted to see, right? So our stop now is right below this candle low, 369 area. We'll see if this is gonna be able to continue higher. I still think there's plenty of room to the upside here now. If we can get up there, just gotta see if, well, right when we entered, we pulled back again. So as long as this 5-minute candle can hold the low, we should be good. So never mind, straight back down. 380s again. Give it a little bit of room. If not, we'll stop out. The chop. That was some weird price action. Straight back down. Wow. Gotta love that. Really? Wow. Okay. Never mind. Not going up. The fuck? Someone must have tweeted or something. Huh. Sellers pushing hard. Back down, 350s hard. Need to set up a bull flag here. We're going into 10:50, 11 o'clock. Man, oh man. Yeah, that was a good short trade, clearly. Still pulling back 360s now. All right, NASDAQ, maybe more pullback before going higher. We're still inside this big gap. I mean, I think there's still upside to come, but we got to see what happens here. Kind of just pulling back. Stuck for now. Big pullback after kind of popping back up there. Just could not get back above this previous candle high. Kind of funky price action there, but be patient. PW, why don't you use Fibonacci's? I mean, I don't know. Why don't I do a lot of things, you know? $1 million question. I mean, I don't think that, you know, just using 1 million different strategies is going to help you make money, to be honest. PW, you trade FVGs now? Not really. I'm just doing it because it's making, just get more viewers on the stream, you know? Making more money, basically. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Making more money on the stream, baby. Nobody take buys unless you want to lose. Somebody in the chat just said. All right, well, fuck me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't take a buy. Someone in the chat said you're gonna lose. I'm setting a wire transfer right now for a new truck that I bought. Give me 1 second. Watching the market too, don't you worry. Just staying calm, relaxed, waiting and watching. We got D-Money coming up later on as well. If you haven't already, check out the D-Money show. The biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. So, check them out. Do 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 do. Still just going nowhere. Pulling back here, but having trouble kind of breaking down. Look at the hourly chart right now. We got a big doji here on the hourly for now. Looks like Nvidia just kind of struggling to go anywhere. ES also kind of pulling back here. Maybe this is going to kind of play out head and shoulders, right? Where we get another, and then we pull back here some more. But just kind of being patient to see how this candle's going to close out. Going into the 11 o'clock hour. We still got plenty of time here to make some more money. Still got plenty of time to make some more money. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, chat. Daddy's here. La 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 la. Pulling back into that pivot point now. So again, I think it's just a good time to be patient. This 15-minute candle looking very bearish right now going into the 11 o'clock hour. Maybe we're going to pull back a little deeper. Pull back a little deeper, you know. Pull back a little deeper. Pull back a little deeper. $320s now, just straight back down here. It happens. It does happen. PW, that's the tail for the new hour. Watch the new hour rip. Well, we'll see. We will see, chat. We will see. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Straight back down into this fair value gap, 300 area. Oh, Lord. We got 5 minutes here, 5 minutes. There's that 300 bounce. Flash Golden said he's still looking for 100 points lower. All right, all right. Well, we'll see. I mean, if we start to bear flag here at 11 o'clock, like if we push back up and then we start to bear flag, like this was a nice little bear flag. I probably should have taken that, but I was just trying to be a little bit patient. But I need like another bear flag back up into this area, maybe for a short setup. I mean, overall, like I said, just kind of like interested to see what happens here now. There's that nice little bounce off 340 points back up. There's 340s right back up. Top of that 15-minute range is 250 area down there. So we got this hourly candle about to close now. Hourly candle's closing. Hourly candle is closing here. Nasdaq just pulling back, can't go anywhere, man. She's back down, 290 now. We got this recent low 270 area. I think if we get down to like 250, I might try a long here. 256 area, I think we'd probably get a bounce at this previous area of resistance here, maybe a little lower, but I think like down into here would be a bounce territory. Could try that, but we got 2 minutes until this hourly candle closes. Yeah, the opening range high is 260s now. Watch for the bull flag trend breakout, PW. I mean, I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. Right now, the Nasdaq just pulling back here into that EMA for now. Look at the 4 hour. People always be like, look at this, 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 look at this. Everybody, look at this, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at this, look at that, look at this. I mean, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at everything, Chad, okay? God damn. Can y'all just let me live my life? Just let me fucking live my life. God damn. All right, there's that 300 area. I mean, I do like that we're respecting that EMA there. You know, I'm just saying. You know, I'm just saying. I do like it. That could be the lower high again. We got that pivot point right there as well. Got the fair value gap down here. Look at that. We're bouncing off the fair value gap. We're bouncing, fair value gap. That is a nice response here, to be honest. 11 o'clock candle. I'm going to try a long here. See if we can't push back up now. We're back above that EMA. Nice little response here. Might be a little bit of a chase, but I'm looking just like for up into the 70 level one more time, and then try to add back into it. Nvidia just pumped as well. Yeah, I think that was the good spot to get long down there. I'll take like 20 points here and then try to re-enter to get a better setup. It's 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock, clock. That's right, the market's going up at 11 o'clock, clock. Maybe. PCA said, been averaging 50 or more points a day because of your channel and your crew. Took 4 years to get here, but thanks very much. Ooh, buddy, I love to see that. Congratulations. $50 points a day keeps the fucking doctor away, if you know what I mean. Keeps the crazy times away. All right, that's 10 points. 10 points going for 20 here. Almost 20. There it is. There it is. There it is, chat. All right, there's a nice little push back up. Give it a moment here. I want to see what happens now, right? At this point, so. Nice little push here. 366 is still going. All right, so now I kind of just want to see like a better bull flag setup, right? Like kind of pull back here and then build out a better bull flag. So if we can pull back, you know, like test into here would be ideal. Give me some wicks. Give me some wicks down, you know, and then we can see what happens. Black Sheep says, I think lower high right there. Possibly. Possibly. You never know. Oh. Possible head and shoulders on the 5-minute chart. Possibly. Look at that push again. Fuck. That's a nice little push here. Do I go FOMO into this breakout here? We pushed right off of that, so I'm going to try it. See if we can't get like 10, 20 points through 80s now. I'll just take a 10-pointer through these highs from earlier. That was kind of the push that we wanted right off the EMA, and now we're going to pay for it. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Got a little fair value gap that we're pulling back into here. That's what happened. I should have known. Look at the VWAP. It's going to dump. All right, we'll see. I mean, guys, if you think it's a short, go short. If you think it's a long, go long. I mean, it doesn't bother me. This is not a contest of who's right. The contest is who makes money. So... Just trying to make a little bit of money here. That's all. Sometimes we make money, sometimes we lose money. Can't always be right. Can't always be right. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Stuck right here below those previous wick highs. But if we can bust through 80s, I think we go start to pump again. There's that 80 push. Come on, give me a little bit more. I want to get like 90s here. Give me that 90 area. Do-do-do-do. $126 orders at 30,500. Oh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. Come on, give me that 90 push. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Looking for 90s. Nice, easy 20 points. Come on. There we go. Nice work, nice work. Okay, okay. Now we, I can kind of wait for another bull flag setup. Wait for another bull flag setup here. I want the next. I want the next. Nice little push up there to the 390s. So like I said, kind of looking, we want to be careful. This is not going to be like a kind of a shoulder here, right? We're kind of looking, you know, for that. So. Because like we said, kind of you don't want, what you don't want is you don't want this kind of being, you know, it's like a head and shoulders type setup. That's kind of why I was targeting 390s and not kind of looking for a push all the way back up to the highs. You know, is what I was looking at. So little pullback here. We like it. We want it. We need some more of it. Got 2.5 minutes here on this 15-minute candle. If I look 5-minute chart, we're holding this fair value gap there at the 350s. Nice little wick on the bottom again there. It's not a terrible move here. Not a terrible move. Right back into this. I'm going to try a quick long. Let's see if we're going to pop up through 400s next. Momentum is there. So let's see what happens. Quick longy dongy. If we pop through if we top this 390 area, we should push straight up here now. Beautiful, beautiful. I'll take it right there, actually. 399. So, nice work, nice work. Spool said that he shorted as I longed. How'd that work out for you, Spool? How'd that work out for you, Spool? Did that work out for you good? You shorted when I got long, huh? How'd that work? How'd that work out for you, you fucking loser? Haters gonna hate, players gonna play, baby. Is Legends good? Well, Legends right now, 30% off. We got multiple deals going on there with Legends. We got Warbucks as well, chat. Warbucks is 50% off. 50% off at Warbucks right now. Let's go. 30,400, pushing back. Pushing back. Pushing P. All right. Moment of truth. Will we continue squeezing higher here now? It looks pretty good for the continuation. Just need to find a better entry now. Need a better entry here. 5-minute chart. Maybe get like 380s again. All right. So this is what I want to see happen now. I want to see a better kind of better bull flag type setup here. Although that is a nice little push right off that EMA again. If we break back above this candle high, I'm going long again. Stop is at the bottom of this candle. Off that EMA. But I want to see that break above that previous candle high there. Previous candle high gotta go. We're right there. We're right there. PW, how much are you up? I don't know, man. I'm down, I'm up, I'm all around. I'm rich. That's all you got to worry about. $330 orders at 30,450. Let's go. Look how tight this is getting right here. Oh, man. Something's going to happen. Something is going to happen. When are you going to go fishing again? I'm going fishing next week. We're going to Hawaii, going fishing. All right, we're going to try this long here for a punt to the upside here. Stop is below this candle. If we get stopped down, we get stopped down. Can we punt it? Punt it, punt it. Put some orders out like this, kind of. Possibly. No longer walking to Cabo? No longer walking to Cabo. Chopped. Stopped out there for now. No reason to give it back. Had potential to go, just couldn't keep going there. So yeah. What hotel were you at in Cabo? That was Grand Velas. Grand Velas was that? Grand Velas? Grand Velas? Oh, you gotta love it. I should have gave myself more room there, probably. Because I mean, the problem is, like, if you look here, realistically, you know, like, this is kind of the spot that you want to use as a stop there. It's just kind of far away from that. So, look at that push right back up. Fucking A. I'm going to try a long here one more time. I think it's going to push. I don't know. We'll kind of give it some room and see if we can't get up there towards 450 area, the high from earlier. Patrick, can you check out the 15-minute chart? It's going to retrace. I mean, maybe. I don't know, man. Why does everybody always think what am I going to know? If I knew where the market was going to go, well, I wouldn't be here, would I? I'd be just making money. PW, intraday or end of day, which is the best? I mean, you know, end of day is not hard. End of day is probably your best bet. $30,500. Is it doable? Possibly. Who knows? PW, why do so many people decide to bother you? They don't bother me. It's just everybody always is like, what is it? It's gonna go down, it's gonna go up. I mean, yeah, no, you're not wrong. This cause it could roll over and pull back to the VWAP here, honestly. But we'll see if there's enough strength to go higher. PW, which copy trading software do you use? I use Tradevate. Really simple, really easy. Just Tradevate copy trading. We're just hanging out. We're watching. We're waiting. I'm currently long, by the way. Currently long. It might be a terrible idea, but we'll see. Giving it some room here. I don't like kind of, the idea that it rolls over here, but it's trying. If we can get through 400, like if you look at the 5-minute chart here, right? If we can basically break out through 400, I think this is kind of a good target to the upside there. Nice little pullback into that EMA. And then we're looking for a continuation to the upside. 440s, 490s, 500s even. If you want to get real crazy. Tradevate copy trader sucks. I mean, does it? I don't know. I'm gonna go pee. Come on. Hi, Patrick. Greetings from Austria. Crazy. The chart price looked different here in Austria, looking at Tradevate and TradingView. The price looks different in Austria? Maybe. If you look right now, the ES is making new highs right now. So check out the ES here. Well, it almost is making new highs. I think the Nasdaq's gonna follow. If the ES starts to break out, if the ES can get moving, 7,550 on the ES, 560s, and then Nasdaq will pump as well. So we're pumping out here. 5-minute bull flag breaking out. So we get through 400s. I think 440, 500 is very doable. It's just the question of, can we do it here at 11:30 in the afternoon? We'll have to see. Continuation play here. Nvidia is struggling. Yeah, I see that. Anything's possible. Either way, that's still that's like 10 points. It's at least 10 points. There it is, chat. There it is. I'm looking for a little bit more though. I want to get a little bit more out of it. I think the setup is there to kind of target those highs from earlier, maybe more. Kind of do one of these. Maybe you'd be like 420s, 440s, 450s being a pretty good target there, right? Can we get a nice pump here? We're doing it live on YouTube. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, let me know. If you're enjoying the stream, let me know. Anybody enjoying it? No, nobody. Secrets. All right, ES is trying to push. Nasdaq's trying to push. We're trying to go, go, go. We got this bull flag breakout. We're long on the Nasdaq, but the $1 million question is, can we get continuation? We need more continuation to the upside here. We'll see. Pump, drop, pump. Amen, brother. Why am I trading micros? You know, I don't know. For fun. Why not? Gives me a little bit more wiggle room in these accounts. That's why we're trading micros right now. So, apologies if you trade minis and you want to trade minis, don't worry. You can still trade minis. Nobody's telling you that you can't. Just having a little bit of fun. I don't know why everybody freaks out about anytime I do something different. There's nothing wrong. I mean, we're just trading. I think right now in this market, the micros are just gonna let me not have to worry so much about drawdown, give me a little bit more wiggle room, you know, so I don't have to be perfect with my entries. Like yesterday, we had multiple trades that we took and we got stopped out on, and every single one of those trades ended up going higher. We just had too tight of a stop on it. So I'm trying out the micros right now just to kind of see, you know, just trying to see maybe if this is a better play for me for now. So the problem is if you're trading a 50K account, right? If you're trading a 50K prop firm account, you only have what, $2,000 worth of drawdown, right? And that is very, very, very easy to blow, right? So that's very easy to blow. So that's why we're trying the micros. All right, ES went for new highs, got stuck for now. Can we pump out of here? I do like that we're starting to push. I think we break 410s, 420, 454 from there. So the only issue with micros is since there's more liquidity, sometimes you get extra 20-point wicks. Possibly. It could work both ways though, right? Because it also could go higher. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with, I've always said this, right? If you're a new trader, the best idea when you first start out is to buy the smallest account, trade a couple micros, focus on the trading and not focus on the actual profits, right? That's the nice thing about the micros. It allows you to kind of calm down, relax a little bit more, just focus on the actual trades and not try to focus on, oh my God, I'm up $5,000. Oh my God, I'm down 2,000. Oh my God, you know, like that's the worst thing you can do as a new trader is if all you're trying to do is, you know, trade every little move, make all this money. So we're giving it a little bit of room. 420's first thing there. I like it. I like it. I like it. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Give me all the way. We can get a new high going here, baby. Come on. New highs. Make me higher. Gonna take me higher. There we go. Pushing 420s. Gotta love it. All right. How high can we go now? Right? 440s possible. We got our stops kind of just moving up here a little bit. He made fun of using ICT and micros for years. Yeah, it's fucking gay. ICT is gay. All right. Will you shut up? Mike in the chat. He made fun of ICT. He made fun of him. I'm still making fun of him, you fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. I'm not, this is a joke. I'm not actually trading ICT, you fucking idiot. God, the chat is cooked. Cooked sometimes. He made fun of ICT. You shut the fuck up, idiot. It's the whole point, it's a joke. It's a fucking joke. He made fun of ICT. All right, NASDAQ still trying to push here. We're looking for new highs coming up. New highs. We got 30 minutes here. We got new highs coming up. I mean, ICT still owes me $500,000. Okay, he still owes me $500,000. I'm still waiting to be paid. Never forget when ICT, where is it? Where did he go? Where did that motherfucker go? Where did the fucking post go? What the fuck? There it is. Look at that. ICT told the world that he was gonna win the Robbins Cup. Today's date is January 27th, 2024. I will be the champion with the largest recorded return until now. He'll post a return of 11,592 come December 2024. Get the fuck out of here, ICT, you fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. Get out of here. God. Oh God, pull back here. Pulling back here. Oh God. Oh God. Got there to the top, got denied. Looks like the ES is getting denied at the highs. Just gotta have to give it some room here. Going into the 12 o'clock hour. I think we're all right. We just gotta get a little tail. Get a little tailwind, you know? Need a little tailwind. Did we take the turtle soup entry? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Turtle soup trade right here. We got a little turtle soup action going on. A little turtle souping. If you're here for the ICT concepts, hit the like button, subscribe button. You know you love it. By the way, Warbucks right now, 50% off. Guys, this is insane pricing. It really is. Like, if you think about it. Oh, that's my email. God damn it. Everyone just saw my email. What was on there? Nothing. Nothing secret. Nothing to worry about. Don't look at my email. Nothing to look at. Nothing to look at. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Are you actually trading ICT? No. Bryn Winward said, does this guy do drugs? No, man. I mean, I've never done cocaine. I smelt it a few times, but I've never done it. Okay? I've never done it. So... I've never done it, okay? Oh my God. Guys. Is this real life? Can somebody tell me if this is real life? Is this AI? Costco. 29 bucks, get a nut buster. Stainless steel ball peen hammer. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty wild. That can't be real. That cannot be real. Is it? Is it AI? Hit hard, fix harder. That's gotta be AI. That's gotta be AI, right? Nut buster? No way that's real. All right, well, NASDAQ pulling back here now. I'm just gonna let this 5-minute chart play out, right? I think the 5-minute chart, as long as we can stay above this 370 area, we should be good. Kind of see what happens. It might just chop kind of play, but I'm not mad about it either way. Just kind of being patient, letting it play out here. We're letting it play out here. If this starts to push up strong through 420s, I'll move my stop like right below these candles. I might just do it right now, honestly. I'm gonna put my stops like right below this 400 level. And see if we can't continue to push higher here. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit on this little push right there, just to take some more off. There we go. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah, we might get stopped here. We got 3 contracts left. I got my stops down there, right below 400 for now. Might need a more pullback before going higher. We kind of pushed up into that resistance 430 area, and here back down. So yeah, stopped out there for now. Market just could not make new highs as of right now, so you got to be patient. Got to be patient for now. 5-minute chart, like I said, kind of pushed up, broke out there, pulled back again. Learn some ICT. Egyptian, you learn ICT. You fuck. Oh my God, look at this. And this is always what happens. I move my stop, and then this always happens. It always happens. It's so frustrating. I'm gonna try a long here again. If it's gonna continue, just let it ride. This is why I gotta stop moving my stops. I just got to. I gotta stop doing it. Gotta stop moving my stops. Just follow the plan. Don't move your stop. You know? Terrible. Don't move your stops, chat. Don't do it. Because look, now it's just like, now I'm just going to get fucking chopped up here. Look at the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Oh, I'm looking at it. It's all the way, well, that's the 21, but what's the 9 EMA at? Yeah, kind of right there. I think the 9 EMA is too close on the 5-minute chart. Maybe, what's the 14 look like? I think 14 might be a little safer. Yeah, market just kind of stuck here at the highs, but if we can get pumping, there's still plenty of room to the upside. I think 500 is very doable today. Just a question of, will we get that pump going into the 12 o'clock candle, right? 12 o'clock candle, can we pump it? 15-minute chart looks good. We got these highs here, 440s, and then 500s up there next. Like I said earlier, we are inside of a big gap, right? If you look at the regular trading hours, this is where we gapped. There's a gap here. Big old gap. Well, it's this whole area here, but we're pushing back up into it right now. So that's why I think we're still bullish to go higher. The fact that we have that big old gap, there's not really much stopping us from going higher. It's just the $1 million question, can we actually go? So if we can get above 430s, 450s, we should be good. Just got to see if it'll actually work. Can it work? Market AI says 30,540. All right. We'll see what happens. Right now, NASDAQ is kind of holding up here. It's kind of holding up for now. Right here at the top of this setup here, we got a new 15-minute candle just opened up. Some more pump here. We need more pumpity pump. More pumpity pump. More pumpity pump. Pumpity pumpity pump. There we go. There we go. I like it. Nice little push. Can we go make, well, the previous high area was what? 441s. 441s previous highs now. So I'm gonna see what happens. Oh, buddy, let's go. Come on, chat. Let's get this party going. God, why did I never should have moved my stop originally. That was silly. New rule, don't move the stop no matter what. No matter what. Don't do it. There's 440s again. Will we get a double top here, or are we going to blast through? 440s double topping right now. We need to blast. Ugh, right back down. New rule. Roll on the floor laughing. Egyptian ICT, bro. What? You're here watching me. PW, didn't we say bull flag, take profit at high a day? I mean, we said it. We said it. Chat's not happy about it, but we said it. Bro, what? Who's gonna live on these places? All right, we got about 13 minutes till his hourly candle closes. If we pull up the hourly chart again, we're kind of bull flagging. We're staying above that last, like the doji, right? I mean, this is kind of what I'm looking at. This idea of filling this gap up through the 500s here, hourly chart, right? So, gotta see. Can we get the continuation? Obviously don't love that we got stuck at the highs again, but sometimes you got to knock on the door a few times before someone answers. Sometimes you got to knock on the door a few times. Going into the 12 o'clock hourly candle, we'll see what happens here. 430 area. Can we bust through it? Bust down. Right now, NVIDIA going nowhere, so that's not helping, right? We need NVIDIA to push. If you're looking at the market and you're like, well, what's going on? Why are we not going higher? Well, you pull up NVIDIA and you're like, oh, that's why. NVIDIA right now just kind of flagging here. If we pull up the NVIDIA chart, see how NVIDIA is just sitting there at like 198 right now? If NVIDIA can start pushing, because that's what happened at Open. We had this massive push on NVIDIA, and that's where we got that big squeeze going. But ever since, NVIDIA's just been kind of stuck there. So I think if NVIDIA can start pumping, you get NVIDIA to break out, you're like 200 for NVIDIA, NASDAQ could go make new highs here very soon, right? Possibly. Boo-doo-doo-doo. INTC is the new leader. Maybe INTC and NVIDIA go up same time. Pumpity. Come on, NASDAQ, do something here. 380 needs to be tested. Don't say that right now. Not 380 right now, sir. Go up first. Can we just agree on that, chat? Let's go higher and then we go to 380, okay? That's when we'll go up and then we go down. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, 350s, 450s. Are we gonna get tagged? Tagged and bagged? Tagged and bagged? Let's go, baby. 450s. Trying to push. The fair value gap is absolutely printing right now. Look at this fair value gap down here that we had. Oh my God, ICT is the best. That's all I ever trade. Best to ever do it. Mr. ICT, my favorite. He's my favorite. Hey, Egyptian ICT, you kept saying it was bearish all morning. What happened, sir? What happened, sir? What happened? What happened, sir? PW, who is ICT? If you don't know who ICT is, don't worry. All you need to worry about is PW. PW, okay? PW. That's 40 points, or 30 points, by the way. 30 points to the upside there now, but just stuck here on, I think, going into this 12 o'clock candle. Can we get a pump? Can we get a little pumpity pump? I'm the inner circle trader, okay? I'm inside the circle. Look. Circle, inner circle. Look how big my head is. It's circle. My head is a circle. See, I'm inner the circle. You know what I mean? I'm in the circle, chat. I'm in the fucking circle. I'm in the circle, chat. The best to ever do it, the circle trader. I'm the motherfucking circle trader. Don't worry, Egyptian ICT, we'll give you a little shout out here. What'd he say? He said bearish. It's bearish. Is this bearish? Egyptian? Is it bearish? How many times do you say how many times it was bearish? Bearish, he said. Bearish. Learn ICT. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Learn ICT. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, boy. Bearish my dick. You want to come over here and bearish on my dick, you freak? That's really fucking gay, bro. I don't know what you do in fucking Egypt, but that's really gay in America. You want to get bearish on my dick. That's very fucking gay. That's very fucking gay. We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock, 7 minutes until the D-Money show. And don't forget, chat, we got Denny, 6 p.m. Eastern. If you're missing out on the afternoon show, don't worry, we got Denny. We got BDH all day, every day for you guys now. We got Denny at 6 p.m. Eastern till about 10 o'clock at night. I've been popping on for like an hour. You got me in the morning. You got D-Money afterwards. Come on. Come on. It's still going higher, by the way. Is this good? Chat, are we happy? Are you guys happy right now? Tell me you're happy. Somebody tell me you're fucking happy. Somebody give me some good news. Give me some fucking good news, chat. Somebody. You know, somebody tell me something good. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Got. Yee! Hey, I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun with you guys, you know? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this stream today. Trying something a little different. I know normally we don't trade with micros, but I think it's a little bit more informative. Maybe it's a little bit more educational. You know, maybe we can be a little bit more relaxed, not have to worry about just blowing accounts, you know? Maybe that, I don't know. We're trying something different, you know? I think this is the whole point of the BDH at the end of the day is to try different stuff, right? We're seeing what works better in different markets. Should I keep trading minis? Should I trade micros? I think, you know, overall we had a great day today, right? We didn't put on oh my god, I almost thought my water was good thing the top was on. You know, I think overall we had a really good day. Obviously the open was really retarded, just trying to short that pump that kept going higher and higher forever, but I like it, you know. Tanner Simmons, we got Tanner Simmons always coming by to brag about how much money he made. Tanner Simmons says, I made one last payout from Funded Next, $1,500 to end June, $23,000 up. He's now live with Lucid and onboarding with Apex. There's good news. Tanner Simmons, let's go. This guy can't stop. He won't stop. He can't stop. He won't stop, chat. And by the way, we are now pushing. Come on, baby girls. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me, chat. Tell me you love me. Somebody tell me you love me. Somebody tell me. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me, somebody. Nobody's gonna tell me they love me? Come on. What a move, what a move. The NASDAQ, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it. Good news, PWBDH is the best future streaming platform on planet Earth. Hey, I didn't say it, he said it, all right? He said it. The best futures trading platform on fucking Earth, chat. I mean, come on. Come on. You gotta tell me you love me. You gotta tell me you love me, chat. You gotta tell me you love me. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. Good. Tell Laura to show me the money. You just gotta show me the fucking money, boys. What a time. We got D-Money coming up here in 2 minutes. That's right. If you love this show, you're gonna really love the D-Money show. Because he's that boy good. That boy is good. Come on. Get me out of this. Get it. Yeah, I'm almost done. No, he won't wake up. Let him be. What? All right, well, wake him up, I guess. I don't know. I'll wake him up in a minute. Come on, let's get it right here. We got 2 minutes until the show's over. Can I get filled? Go! Come on, NASDAQ. Don't do that to me right now. Give me one more little pumpity pump. 500s. Like we said, we had a plan, right? Beautiful plan here, guys. The gap fill. We've been talking about this all morning long. And look at the gap fill. We are so fucking close. We got a minute till this 12 o'clock candle. What a time to be alive. Big shout out to ICT, the biggest, the largest. We made so much money today trading ICT. Guys, I'm pretty much the #1 ICT trader on the internet. I don't know if you've noticed, but I pretty much am. So, you know, if you're not impressed by my ICT skills, I don't know what you're doing. There it is. Oh, by the way, Warbucks is 50% off still. Warbucks 50% off. 50% off for Warbucks. We got the pump all the way up there to the 480s. I got one contract left. I'm going to just let it ride, I guess. I'll let it ride for now. We'll see what happens. But right now, what a time to be alive. You guys enjoyed today's stream. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. We're doing it live all week long. I'm back tomorrow morning and tonight we'll be live. So I'll be live tonight around 11 o'clock. We got Denny at 6 o'clock. We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock. So there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I love you. I want you. I need more of you. So hit that like button. I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already, well, you already know what to do. Blow it up for me. Blow it up for me. I'll talk to you all later on. Peace to the Middle East.